everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me today. So today we're going to start a new Clear Scraps project, and this one is going to be Christmas. You guys, Christmas is right around the corner, and so I think it's going to be so fun to get some of our scrapbook pages done using some of the Clear Scraps products. And so today I have some fun ones with me. I have the Clear Scraps Snowflakes. Okay, so we have Snowflakes from, these are chipboard, and then we have a little stocking shaker. How cute is this? I can't wait to do this up, you guys. I'm super excited. So this is the shaker stocking, and then we have some Clear Scraps little bits, and these right here will go inside of our little stocking. And yeah, so I am really excited. So we're in conjunction with these products. We're going to go ahead and we're going to be using the Simple Pages page kit by Simple Storage, and this is called Oh What Fun. And oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Isn't it cute? Now I have done a few of these before on my live show and on here on my YouTube channel, and I love these page kits because they're so simple to use, and you can change them up a bit, which is what we're going to do. So if you looked at my Halloween layout, I did the same thing using the shaker pumpkins, and so but today we're going to be using the Oh What Fun Christmas page kit. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to start off with, you're just going to grab your snowflakes and you're just going to cut them out of the square. Okay, so to begin, we're going to go ahead and trace this little stocking on top of some pattern paper. Now I placed this over that little Santa face, and then I went ahead and cut that out so it would just be adhered to that whole stocking, and that is what I'm going to use for the background on my shaker. So what we're using right now is the Christmas stocking shaker. So again, this is the Christmas stocking shaker, and I will have the link down below for you. So this is super cute, you guys, and I got to get more of these. I just love these. So yeah, and then what you're going to do is you have 3 frames, and 2 of these frames you're going to glue together. So here I'm placing my glue on, just grabbing the other frame and placing that on top. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your acetate piece, okay, and you're going to take the film off of both of sides of the acetate, and I'll do that here in a minute. But I'm getting ready to, so I'm just placing glue on top of the 2 frames that I adhered together. Okay, so this acetate will go on the 2 frames that you just adhered together. Now I'm placing the acetate on top of that stocking, and then I'll grab the next frame stocking, and that will go on top of there. So now we're going to go ahead and paint this stocking, and I'm just painting it red, and then we're going to do something fun on top of the stocking. So if you have any red paint, you can paint this. You can paint it any color you would like to match your color pattern that you have on your pattern paper. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add some flour soft to the top of our little stocking here. And I just thought this would be fun to add a little element like this because it gives it that like little fuzzy, furry type look. And so yeah, I thought it would be really fun to put on top of the little Christmas stocking. Okay, so the next thing I did is I went ahead and added some glue to the chipboard snowflakes, and we are going to go ahead and add some flour soft to these as well. And you're going to do all 3 of them like this. If you have flour soft, you can use anything you want. You can even spray paint them, just the chipboard, okay, and or you can paint them all white. It doesn't matter, whatever you want to do with your chipboard. This is just an idea for you to do if you have some flour soft or white flock in your stash that you can use. Okay, and so I just went ahead and put some Flour Soft on all 3 of these, let them dry, and then afterwards I took them outside and I spray painted them white. And here at the end of the video, you'll get to see what they look like once they're all done. It's so neat, y'all. You're gonna love it. I really like these chipboard snowflakes. You can use them on layouts, which is what we're going to use them for. You can use them on cards, and you can use them on tags. You can even use them just as an ornament for your tree if you wanted to. All you have to do is just place some glitter on them and put them on your tree, and you're good to go. So these are really, I think, a must-have in your stash because they are so useful for so many things, so versatile. And I will have the link for you down below so you can go ahead and grab a couple for your tree or whatever your project is this year. I also thought these would look good on a wreath, and I had a really hard time deciding if I wanted to use them on one of my next projects that I'll be sharing with you guys later. So stay tuned. Don't forget to head over to ClearScrap and check out their chipboard pieces. You're gonna love everything you see in their store. Okay, so the next thing we're going to add, that little frame that we put the Flour Soft on and we painted, we're going to add that on top of the acetate right now. And you're just going to go ahead and secure that down. And then next we're going to go ahead and add our little shaker bits. And this is just a shaker sequin mix from ClearScraps, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and add the backing on top of the little stocking there. So I'm just adding some glue, grab my little boot, the little stocking with the Santa face on it, and then you're going to go ahead and place that down. And you want to press firmly and make sure that it is secured on so none of your shaker bits fall out. Okay, so now that we're done with our shaker and our snowflakes, we're putting together the scrapbook pages that are from the Simple Stories, Simple Page Kits that are called Oh What Fun. And here I'm putting together all of my little photo mats, okay? And I am just doing a part of what they have in their instruction sheet. So yeah, and then I'll go ahead and I'll fast forward through some of this. Okay, so what I did is I decided to get some ribbon and place the ribbon on the top and the bottom of this snowflake paper, and I thought it was a nice element or border for this page, and so I just went ahead and added that right across there. I did place tape on the back so the ribbon would stick down. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and place all of my mats down on top of this page, and I had put the circle up on top, and then I remembered I wanted it down below. So yeah, so here I went ahead and kind of put the little Santa and the chimney little fireplace together. I thought that that was super cute, and I did pop these up with some foam tape. Now I love my foam tape, you guys. I just love the pop-up element of it, and so I just thought it would be really fun. And so I went ahead and used some of the chipboard pieces that were from this set as well as the ephemera pieces. So there is the little Santa and the little fireplace, and next we're going to be adding the 2 photo mats and the shaker. And I really love adding the shaker to my layouts. I think it's a wonderful thing to add, and it's so fun. So you could definitely, you know, kids love it when they see pictures of themselves, and then you have like a little interactive, you know, something on the page, and they can just kind of shake that little shake it, and it's so fun. I think it's just a really nice addition. Okay, so I went ahead and put this page together. It is from the same kit, and I am adding the snowflakes. Now these are the snowflakes, again, that we added some flour soft to, and then I went ahead and spray painted them and let them dry outside for a bit. I want to say maybe an hour, if that. They didn't take them very long to dry. I didn't put like a whole bunch of paint on them, so it just took a little bit for them to dry. And then, yeah, then I went ahead and glued them on top of the page. And I think these look so stinking cute. I absolutely love how they turned out. And they look like snowflakes, you guys. They're so like fuzzy, like snowflakes. And I just think they look really good. I was really happy with them. I did grab some of my stickles later, and I went ahead and went over them just to give them a little bit of a, you know, shimmery kind of look. And so I thought that that looked really good. And so I just spread it over with my fingers, you know, just putting it down, squirting it out on top, and then just kind of, you know, spreading it out. Again, I really like these snowflakes. I love how you can use them on scrapbook pages, on cards, on tags. You can use them as a ornament on a tree by just adding glitter to them. You can use them for a banner. You can use them for all sorts of fun little projects that you have. Okay, y'all, so we are done with our pages, and I think they turned out so cute. I absolutely love the little shaker Christmas stocking. So cute. And then I went ahead and put some flour soft around the stocking here. I think it looks so stinking cute. And then on this page, we went ahead and used the chipboard snowflakes, and I think they turned out awesome. So what I did is I went ahead and I put the flour soft on them, let them dry, and then I went ahead and sprayed them with white spray paint. Once that dried, I went ahead and brought them back in, and I laid them down on top of the layout, and then went ahead and used some stickles. I used crystal stickles, and I went ahead and patted some all over the snowflakes, and I think it adds just the right amount of sparkle on those little snowflakes. I think it turned out so stinking cute. Absolutely love both of these layouts. So I will have the links down below for the snowflakes and the shaker stocking down below for you, and so you can go check them out. So thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please head over to Clear Scraps and check out their shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my live shows, 4:30 on Fridays Central Time.